Okay, everybody, I'm so excited that my package from Nomos is here already. I've had a lot of drama with this one, and I'd like to apologize to Nomos because I've been barraging them and nagging them via email, making follow-ups, asking questions about taxes, customs, etc. And right now, my hands are on the details because I don't want to share them with everybody in public. But you will see here on the sides that this package was inspected. So that means that customs opened it. So I don't know if it's to make sure that, uh, everything on the documentation is correct and up to date. So this actually makes me uncomfortable because I don't like my packages being opened by other people. I'm really anal like that, but what can you do? It's the process. So I'm here on the floor going to inspect the package myself, and yeah, just never mind the rug, the dirty rug that I have. I haven't cleaned it. Here we go. Yeah, this box has been opened. I wanted it to be, as perfect as it was sent by Nomos to me, but what can you do? So I got this side open, and this is what's inside. I don't know if they inspected this. There's nothing more. Okay. So it's facing this way, I guess. Okay. Love that I was the one who gets to do that. And to those who owns Nomos, can you tell me if this is everything that is supposed to be inside? I have here what seems to be a manual. So looks cute. It's loose. Is something else supposed to be on here or in here? Let me know. Oh, I think these are the receipts. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with. Yeah, I'll go through this. Greetings. From. This is S. I don't know. I can't read it. But is this greetings? Is this glasuda? Okay. Yeah, I'll double check these later. This is I guess a booklet. Oh yeah, it's a catalog. Cool. But nothing is more important than the actual watch itself. When I ordered this, it said on the site that availability is 10 months, and that is a little long for me, but I was surprised that they contacted me and told me that my item is available. I guess a lot of people canceled, which ended up benefiting me. There you go. I think they checked this actual item. Okay, here we go. I'm a little nervous. So you have this thingy right here. Okay, Alright. Alright. This is the warranty card. Thank God. It's there. Alright. Alright. We're getting to it. There you go. Ew, yeah. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, this is the Club Campus in deep pink. And this is the bigger size. So what size is this? This is not the 36. I'm just like gonna put it here. My name is there, and yeah, I just requested to engrave is this Carpe Diem? Carpe Diem? Or Seize the Day, yeah. And just my name, so I love it. Let's try it on. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah. So I ordered the short leather, the short version of the strap, because I have small wrists, and I think this fits perfectly. Oh shoot, there we go. That is a lovely watch. Yeah, there you go. Dang, that is gorgeous. Let me just take off the plastic on the back. Yeah, it's really shiny. Let me put it on again. One sec. There we go. Yep, that's one gorgeous watch. Love it. Thank you, Nomos. I love it. Thank you, Nomos. Yeah. Maybe I'll do a review. Yep. That's it. That's it, guys.